Caring for God's Acre is a non-religious charity which promotes the care of churchyards and burial sites. Through our Heritage Lottery-funded churchyard testing project, volunteers have been trained and supported to help communities across Herefordshire and South Shropshire with much-needed conservation work in historic churchyards. One of the tasks carried out during the summer months is that of conservation management of flower-rich grassland, a valuable wildlife habitat. At Hatfield Churchyard in North Herefordshire, the flower-rich tall grassland was cut with scythes and left to dry, making hay. So, how is the hay collected and what can be done with it? Well, at Caring for God's Acre, we use a wooden hand hay baler, made from a plan found on an American homestead website. The hay is then loaded into the box by hand with the plunger pressed down to compact the hay once the baler is sufficiently full. The hay baler door is opened and out comes a manageable sized, compact bale, ready to be taken away by a farmer or by people who need pet bedding. We recommend this environmentally friendly and simple method of dealing with tall summer grassland in churchyards and burial sites.